Welcome to question 24. The ages in years of 10 children in a school are given. We are to calculate correct to two decimal places the mean deviation. So we need to begin with what a mean deviation is. If I am looking for MD as the mean deviation, is the summation of the absolute value of x minus what? The mean divided by n. So what do we need? We need two things here. We need the mean. We also need the mean deviation. So how do we find the mean? Which is the x bar. It is the summation of all the values divided by what? N. So let's see. We need to add all this data given to us, which is 4 plus 4.5 plus 5.5. All these data will be divided by how many entries we are adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is already given in the question as well. 10 children. Then if we add all this on our calculator, your mean will become 74.8 divided by 10. And that will be 7.48. Since we are going to leave the answer in two decimal places, we hold on to the two decimal places. Now, what is next? We need to find the mean deviation from each of the values, subtracting 7.48 from each data point. So let's do that and see. Okay, let's see. We have our x values. Then we have the x minus what? Let me just quote it with the absolute value at once so that we do that. So the values we have will be 4. Okay, so these are the x values we have. Continue to this, and these are the absolute value of the deviation. So 4 minus 7.48 will be here. 4.5 minus this, 7.8 minus this, all throughout. We are taking the absolute value. So we can see that 4 minus 7.48 will be a negative value, but we don't write a negative because of the absolute bar we have here. All right. Now, when we sum all of them up, it will be 24.8. So the formula is saying that find the summation, which is 24.8 divided by n, with the n is what? The number of data is 10. So when the 10 transfer, we have 2.48 as the value. So let's see. I think we have it as what? The B. So in finding the absolute values, we can create a table first to get the x minus the mean. That is the mean deviation. Then the second one, because of no space. And since this is also section A, we can also ignore the table and do it offhand, as in, instead of writing 4 minus this, you only do the subtraction and write this one down and add all of them as you are subtracting them, section A. So you have to manage the time. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 25.